How to set up Microsoft Authenticator app. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about setting up the Microsoft Authenticator app. So for that, you need to download the Microsoft Authenticator app from the Google Play or Apple Store on your device. If you have not, you can go to the search bar and simply search for Microsoft Authenticator app. And if you see an update button over there, simply go ahead and update it to its latest version. And if it's not updated, you can go ahead and install it on your device. Once you're done updating, tap on open. Now go ahead and sign in using your Microsoft account. You can add a personal account using your QR code, or you can sign in with your Microsoft account as well. And once added, the app will generate 6-digit codes every 30 seconds. So that's it for this video. This is how you can go ahead and set up Microsoft Authenticator app on your device. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.